Imagine if you can earn money from using your favorite social media applications like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and etc. Well, you do not need to imagine anymore because you can really do this in reality. You always scroll on your Facebook feed every day just to pass time and keep yourself occupied. There are times when you are probably doing it more than you realize. Sometimes you do it at night or even in public. You're most likely scrolling through Facebook after you wake up. Well, I just want to inform you that you can earn money just by using the Facebook application. The best thing about it is I will tell you how you can earn money from doing this. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the online money machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Now, let's get started. The first website that you need to master for this method is called SuperPay.me. It is a platform where you can earn money online by answering surveys. This platform is very accessible as you can instantly cash out money for as little as $1 through PayPal, Skrill, or other gift cards. You can easily begin your SuperPay journey right now because their members have already cashed out more than $5 million. This is not a joke. It is true. You can even look at this and you will see that they take pride in these 4 salient features that they have. The first one is that you can make money by completing surveys. They also offer trials for video games and more. It is said that they collaborate with various top legitimate survey companies to bring you the best surveys. The second feature is that they pay fast. You can get your money on the same day. The platform promises an 8-hour payment where you can cash out your money easily. You can cash out through PayPal or gift cards. They will even give you 24/7 support from their people to make sure that they will get paid on time. The third benefit is that the registration is free. You will be able to receive a sign-up bonus too. You will already earn money just by accessing and signing up on their website at the comforts of your home. Aside from this, there are even bonuses that you can participate in because they offer $1,000 cash contests. Lastly, you are safe and secured in their platform as they send thousands of payments daily. They will also make sure to keep your information private. One of the best things about this website is their referral program where you can get 25% of your referral earnings. Those are the ways on how you can earn money from this site. In this video, we will focus on the referral program where you can invite other people to try this website using a unique link for you. SuperPay is offering you stunning and amazing features, so you should grab it and make the best out of it. You can start the sign-up process by clicking the Join Today button located at the upper right portion of the screen. You will get redirected to another page where you will be asked about your basic information. Just fill out properly and accurately. You need to input your first name, last name, chosen username, unique password, and personal email address. After that, you just need to press the next button. The page will reload again to show your referral link. The second website that I want to share with you is called Irazu.com. Its interface is almost the same design as SuperPay. It is also a platform that allows you to answer surveys and do other tasks to earn money online. The page says that they will recruit members to do these activities and earn gift cards and cash. To make this more enticing, try to look at this. they have already paid a huge amount of more than $150 million of cash. It is massive, right? You can earn a portion of this money without doing a lot of things. All you need to do is to register on this site and you will definitely earn your keep. Before we proceed to that, let me show you how this platform works. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and find the Earn Points heading. As you can see, you will be able to refer your friends to this website. Just click the Refer Friends and you will be taken to another page where you can find everything that you need to know about this site's referral system. Basically, it works exactly like SuperPay. However, this is their difference. With Irazu, you just need to refer your friends and they will instantly get an extra 500 points for accepting your invite. After accepting your invite, they just need to explore and use the site. Once they were able to earn 1,000 points by completing tasks, you will get a bonus of 100 to 500 points. Of course, that will depend on your country of origin. Again, even promotional bonuses and points will not be this high. Thus, you should really go out there and maximize your earning opportunity from this referral system. Try to scroll down on the page more. You will see the tally of how much you can get per person that you can invite. You will basically get 500 points per person. Therefore, you can make more money when you can invite more people. After I have cleared up everything, we can now start earning by clicking the blue button that says Join. You will get redirected to another page where you can answer their application form. Just input your name, email address, and a unique password. Once you're done, you will get your own Irazu account for free of charge. Since you already know about these great referral systems, we will now proceed with your most favorite application, Facebook. This is how Facebook will come into play. We all know that it is one of the most successful and massive platforms in the world that allows people to connect with each other. With such a huge network, we should take advantage of that. On the Facebook search bar, type the words "Make Money Online" and press the search button. After that, the page will reload to show you all the results related to your keywords. It will initially show you groups associated with the words "Make Money Online." The first thing you need to do is to join these groups. Try to join as many groups as possible. After that, your next step is to post in those groups. Write a post inviting people to try out this survey-paying websites. Make sure that the message that you will create is friendly, engaging, creative, and resourceful. It will make people more inclined to try and check out your link. You should also put a call to action where you invite them to use your referral link. Once people click your link and try out the site, money will come to the both of you. That's it. It is a really simple way to earn money online. You just need to utilize Facebook and you will get paid for doing so. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.